The cricket and the ant. In a sunny meadow, a cricket spent its days singing sweet songs and playing. It enjoyed the warm weather, never thinking about the future. An ant, on the other hand, worked tirelessly, gathering seeds and grains for the winter. It stored them safely in its underground home. Winter arrived, covering the meadow in snow. The cricket, unprepared, struggled to find food. Its carefree days had not prepared it for this. The cricket's belly growled with hunger. It thought of the ant, who had worked hard to store food. The cricket went to the ant's home, hoping for help. The ant, however, had no extra food to spare. It had worked hard to store enough for itself. The cricket realized its mistake. It had been lazy, enjoying the summer without thought for the future. Now it faced the consequences. The ant, meanwhile, enjoyed its stored food, warm and safe in its home. Its hard work had paid off. As the winter passed, the cricket learned a valuable lesson. It understood the importance of preparation and hard work. When spring arrived, the cricket changed its ways. It worked alongside the ant, gathering food for the next winter. The cricket's song were now accompanied by the sound of its hard work. It had learned that preparation and responsibility were essential for a happy life. Moral: it is best to prepare for the future. Vocabulary words. Tirelessly is an adverb which means working without rest. Example sentence: the athlete trained tirelessly. Gathered is a verb which means collected. Example sentence: she gathered flowers. Consequences is a noun. Results of actions. Example sentence: the consequences of his actions were severe. Preparation is a noun which means getting ready. Example sentence: the team made preparations. Responsibility is a noun meaning duty. Example sentence: she took responsibility